The MagnaFlow Universal Catalytic Converter is designed to meet or exceed Federal Environmental Protection Agency OBDII emissions requirements, making it a reliable choice for federally registered vehicles with California or Federal EPA emission systems, excluding those in California, Colorado, New York, Maine. This converter boasts a universal installation feature, which allows you to position it in the exact location and orientation required for your vehicle, although professional installation is highly recommended. Constructed with durable stainless steel, the MagnaFlow Universal Catalytic Converter ensures optimal performance and reliability with its integrated OEM-like O2 ports and a continuous seam weld for superior thermal insulation. The converter is built to heavy metal grade standards, indicating it contains extra catalysts to further improve the conversion of unwanted emissions. Offering worry-free ownership, the MagnaFlow Catalytic Converter comes with a 5-year or 50,000-mile construction warranty and a 25,000-mile emissions warranty. Despite its robust construction and high performance, this catalytic converter is priced at $222, a great value considering its features and benefits.